ReadToMe Student Edition live English classes are fun and easy to buy. You can use your reward coupon for a live English class easily. Step 1. On your ReadToMe Student Edition app, click on Live English Classes. Step 2. Click on the chapter you want to study. Step 3. Read the class information and click on Buy Now. Step 4. Select the one class option for your grade and click on Next. Step 5. Choose the chapter again and click on this Next button. Step 6. Enter the coupon code and click on Apply Code and click on Next. You can now book your live English class by going to your dashboard from here.